Hey guys, today I'm going to walk you through step by step how to set up your MySGI account for the first time. You'll only need to do this once, and it's going to make your plate renewal so much better and easier in the future. So we're going to start right here at renewsaskplates.ca. It's a great idea to bookmark this page so you can find it every time you need to make a renewal. So I'll click the star icon over here and save it to my favorites. Now, getting back to the site, I'm going to click the MySGI button here and then get going on the MySGI account creation. On this page, you can see that there is a new user link just below the bright orange MySGI login button. For our sake, we're going to click the new user link to get registered. After, when I have an account set up, this is where I will log into my MySGI account. We do have another video that shows how to renew my plates online, so if you need, you can check that out. There are two key pieces to creating a MySGI account. You need to register an email address, and then you need to have an activation code sent to that email address, which is used to help validate you as a customer. So in this case, I need an activation code, so I'll select that button. And I don't yet have an email address registered with MySGI broker, so I'll click this button here. This brings up a critical fork in the road. There are two ways to proceed here. The first is simply that now you can call to register your email address. You can call us directly at 306-459-2544. After the call, we will email you a validation code in real time so you can carry on with the process. You'll need to have your driver's license with you, or at least your customer number. Or you can continue to register completely online if you have an SGI Canada policy that can be used to validate you as a customer. This could be your house insurance policy or an auto pack, a package policy for your vehicle, for example, as long as it's through SGI Canada. So I will select the button stating that I'm a Saskatchewan resident and then click Submit. This section is now asking for my 8-digit customer number, which is on my driver's license at the top. And now, my SGI policy number that I will enter without characters or dashes, and then my email address that I want the validation code sent to. So I'll enter and re-enter that to confirm, and then hit Submit. Okay, awesome. You can see that my information was accepted and an activation code was sent to my email. So I'll click Register here. All right, now we're cooking with gas. So I'm going to re-enter my customer number in this field, and then the activation code that was just emailed to me in this field below, and then click Submit. Next up is the fun part. I get to create a username for myself. You can use your email address if you'd like, or you can create something more meaningful to you that you won't forget. And then I will create my password and re-enter that password to confirm, and then hit Submit. The last step here is to select that I agree to the terms of use, so you can give those a read through, and then hit Submit. And voila! I've created a MySGI account totally online, and now I want to check out my account, so I will hit Continue. It looks like I need to select a broker here, so I'm going to look for Ogama agencies, and then select them, and then hit Submit. Next up is the MySGI portal. Of course, this is a really powerful tool with tons of self-serve options. You can make claims online, view your claims, view a copy of your home or auto policy, and so much more. Hopefully this helps you out with creating your MySGI online account. Please share this video with anyone else who might benefit. Of course, if you have any questions at all, our contact information is all on our website, renewsaskplates.ca. Thanks for taking the time to watch our video.